Art to Remember is excited to announce the launch of our online gallery. Simply create an account and start uploading your artwork today. You can upload as much art as you'd like and even create artists to keep it all organized. The best part? It's completely free, and every purchase supports art education. Let me show you how easy it is. To upload artwork into your own personal gallery, go to arttoremember.com/gallery. From there, you'll be prompted to upload from your computer or your mobile device, enter an online order code, or search for your child's art. To upload from your mobile device, just click on Upload from my computer. From there, you can name your art piece, add a description, along with the month, the day, and the year. Make sure to save your details. The artwork selected will appear onto the products digitally. Click Browse All Products to add more artwork or select your artwork and see what it will look like on over 50 products. But wait, don't forget to log in or create an account so that way your artwork is saved to your gallery. Not only has this upgrade made it easy for you to store and collect all of your artwork in one place, but you can also now share your artwork in an email or on Facebook to your family and friends. Just click on the piece that you want to share and then select your method of sharing. Thank you so much for choosing Art to Remember, and don't forget that every purchase supports art education.